Hello and welcome to this week's newscast from Power Engineering International. I'm Kelvin Ross. In this week's headlines, Siemens has shipped the 1,000th gas turbine manufactured at its factory in Berlin. Fortum and Saft are collaborating in the Nordic region's biggest energy storage project. Camisa has signed a wind turbine software deal with Iberdrola. And Venezuela has imposed a 2-day working week in a bid to deal with its ongoing power crisis. Siemens has shipped the 1,000th gas turbine manufactured at its factory in Berlin. The 300 megawatt F-class turbine weighs 300 tonnes and is destined for the Al Houl combined cycle power plant in Qatar. The turbine is one of 6 that will power the integrated seawater desalination plant, which will also produce up to 618 million litres of drinking water per day. More than 90% of the turbines produced in Berlin have been exported. The total installed capacity of the 1,000 gas turbines produced in Berlin amounts to nearly 220 gigawatts, which Siemens says equals the installed power generating capacity of both Spain and Italy. The turbine will travel from the factory to Berlin port, where it will go by barge to Rotterdam. There it will be loaded onto a cargo ship which will take it across the Atlantic to the Mediterranean via Gibraltar. It will enter the Red Sea through the Suez Canal, round the Arabian Peninsula and finally reach Qatar. The Berlin turbine factory was founded in 1904 and initially produced steam turbines. It shipped its very first gas turbine for power plants in 1972. Finnish energy company Fortum is launching the Nordic country's biggest energy storage pilot project. The $2 million project will incorporate megawatt-scale lithium-ion battery storage technology from French company Saft. Saft's containerised battery system will be installed at a Fortum combined heat and power plant in Finland. Planning for the project is underway and the aim is to start installation work in September, with testing of electricity storage due to begin in October. Fortum will receive a 30% energy investment subsidy from the Finnish government towards the $2 million cost of the project. Camisa is to install its energy thrust software in 54 wind farms operated by fellow Spanish company Iberdrola. The software boosts turbine efficiency and will be fitted at wind farms in Spain, Portugal, Italy, Hungary, Romania, Greece and Cyprus. Camisa developed energy thrust to make its turbines more efficient, and the system is endorsed by DNV-GL. It's already installed in more than 1,900 turbines in operation in 14 countries. Camisa says that using the software means that turbine output is increased by up to 5% on average. Venezuela has imposed a 2-day working week for public sector staff in an attempt to deal with its ongoing power crisis. The move follows previous measures such as giving state workers Fridays off, rationing electricity and ordering shopping malls to generate their own power. The nation's power output has fallen dramatically due to a drought which has dangerously reduced the water level at a 10 gigawatt hydropower plant which provides around 60% of Venezuela's power demand. Other forms of power generation are reportedly also in trouble, with 8 out of 10 plants having maintenance problems according to union leaders. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.